Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So here I am looking a little less glamorous than how I normally do on camera because I'm not wearing any makeup, but I wanted to do a video showing you guys a do-it-yourself last minute 70s costume that you guys can do if you decided to attend a Halloween party last minute or just dress up. So essentially we're going to be getting ready together and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the 70s look in partnership with HerGivenHair. So let's just get started. First, I'm going to put all my hair back, so I'm just taking this headband to get all of my hair out of the way, and also I'm going to use my snappy hair tie to just snap my hair back in a ponytail. The link to all the products that I'm going to be using in this get ready with me will be linked in the description box. So here I am fresh faced. You guys compliment me all the time on my skin. This is what I use. I use Clindacymin 1% gel. It helps to keep my acne at bay, and then to moisturize I use this Neutrogena daily moisturizer, and it has an SPF of 30. So yeah, I will leave all of that linked below, and thank you guys so much for all the compliments. You guys are so sweet. So now we're going to move on to the makeup, and I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. This is in the shade NC50. This, you guys, I use as my foundation. I really don't like heavy makeup. I like for my makeup to feel really light and comfortable. So this is just perfect. I just dab it all over and I just blend it in with my finger. To set my concealer underneath my eyes, I like to use my Ben Nye powder in the shade Topaz. This is a really nice golden shade and I feel like it helps to brighten underneath my eyes. As my overall face powder, I love to use this MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50 again. I love MAC, you guys. I've been using this since like high school and MAC has just stuck with me. So most products that I use are MAC. I'm not a big makeup person. To give my face a little bit more color, I'm taking my Everyday Blush by Black Radiance, and this is in the shade Toasted Almond. It has a slight red tint to it, but it's more so on the peachy side, and I feel like it just gives the skin a healthy glow. Since I don't contour or wear highlighter, a lot of the drama in my makeup routine comes from my lashes. So I like to put 3 layers of mascara on my lashes. So I'm using L'Oreal's Voluminous Mascara in the color Carbon Black. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my favorite lip pencil by NYX in the shade Hot Cocoa. After that, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip gloss in the shade Love Child. This is a really pretty color and it has a nice formula as well. And lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and brush my eyebrows with my eyebrow brush. I would set my face with Fix Plus, but I tend to not spray it when I'm filming because it makes my skin look shiny. So this is the final look, you guys. What do you think? Alright, so now we're going to move on to this hair, and I decided that I wanted a really big voluminous fro. Of course, this is a 70s look. We need a bomb fro. So what I'm going to do is use some clip-ins by HerGivenHair, but before we do that, of course we need to prep. So I'm pretty much just doing a pre-poo, I guess you can say. I'm just putting coconut oil on my hair, finger detangling, and then twisting it up. The whole point of this is to have my hair in sort of a protective style so that when I apply the clip-ins, they'll have something to like latch onto. Alright, so we're all done twisting the hair up and I have this leave out in the front. So now we're going to move on to the HerGivenHair clip-ins. We're going to be using HerGivenHair's Kinky clip-ins in the length 18 inches. So these are what the clip-ins look like. They have a really tightly curled pattern, as you guys can see. These are the clip-ins straight from the box. I didn't wash them or anything because this is a last minute costume. I just spritzed them with some water to make the hair softer and more pliable, and then I went in with my Afro pick to kind of comb out the curl pattern. So first, I'm starting off with a clip-in piece that has 3 clips attached to it, and I'm applying that to the back of my hair first. After that, I'm taking another clip-in that has 3 clips attached and applying that right above the previous one. Now I'm going to take one of my clip-ins that has 4 clips attached to it and apply that right above the previous 2. After that, I'm going to take one of my 5 clip-in pieces and place that right in the center of my head. Next, I'm going to take my second 4 clip-in piece and apply that right above the 5 clip-in piece. And lastly, I decided to apply 1 out of the 4 2 clip-in pieces just for some added volume. In total, I used 6 clip-in pieces out of HerGivenHair's Glam full head set of 10 clip-ins. So now that all of the clip-ins are installed, I'm just going to go ahead and work with my leave out. As I mentioned earlier, my hair was really old, like on day 5, so my natural hair blended really well with the kinky texture. After picking it out and doing some fluffing, I'm just going to go ahead and conceal these twists because they were definitely showing out and we don't want that. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin them to the back, and after I did that, you could not even tell I hadn't clip-ins. So these are the final results, you guys. A super easy do-it-yourself last minute 70s costume. I absolutely love this look and it was so easy to achieve last minute. So I hope you guys have a fun and safe Halloween. If you're interested in HerGivenHair, definitely check the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.